how to turn off contact sync on Instagram. So if your Instagram account automatically synchronized your contact, then this video is going to show you how you can easily turn this off step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn off contact sync on Instagram, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram app. So this could be on your Android and it could be on your iPhone. So open it. Once open the Instagram application, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the menu icon at the top right. Once you click on that, locate account center and then tap it. Now on the account center page, you're going to scroll down the page. Then here, click on your information and permission. Then once you selected that, under your information and permission, scroll down until you see upload contacts. Click on it. Then here, if connect contact is turned on, then go ahead and turn that off. You see that? So this is going to load all your contact on Instagram if contact syncing is enabled. So if you've enabled this in your own case, make sure you go ahead and then turn this off. And once that is turned off, then you're good to go. So that is basically how to turn off contact sync on Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.